Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your source for inspiring ideas to elevate your outdoor spaces. Today, we're focusing on a fundamental element for bringing life and beauty to your patio: garden planters. Before watching this video, please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. These versatile containers offer a multitude of possibilities for cultivating greenery and adding a personal touch to your outdoor living area. Let's delve into the world of patio garden planters and explore how they can transform your patio into a true paradise. What's the meaning of patio garden planters? To understand the significance of patio garden planters, it's essential to define what they encompass. Patio garden planters are essentially containers designed to hold soil and facilitate the growth of plants specifically within a patio or similar paved outdoor area. These planters come in a vast array of materials, shapes, sizes, and styles, ranging from small terracotta pots to large raised beds and decorative troughs. Their primary function is to provide a contained environment for plants that may not be directly grown in the ground due to the paved nature of a patio. Patio garden planters serve as a bridge between the built environment of your home and the natural world, allowing you to introduce greenery, color, and even edible produce to your outdoor living space. They offer a flexible and often mobile gardening solution, enabling you to rearrange your patio garden as desired and adapt to changing seasons or design preferences. What's the benefit of choosing patio garden planters? Considering the advantages of incorporating patio garden planters into your outdoor design is crucial when planning your space. There are numerous benefits to choosing this method of gardening. Firstly, planters offer unparalleled flexibility. Unlike in-ground gardens, planters can be easily moved and rearranged, allowing you to optimize sunlight exposure for different plants, create different visual layouts, or even bring sensitive plants indoors during harsh weather. Secondly, planters can significantly improve soil quality. You have complete control over the potting mix used, ensuring optimal drainage and nutrient content for your chosen plants, which is particularly beneficial if your native soil is poor. Thirdly, planters can help to control pests and diseases. By isolating plants in containers, you can limit their exposure to soil-borne pests and diseases, making plant care more manageable. Furthermore, planters can elevate gardening, making it more accessible for individuals with limited mobility or those who prefer not to bend or kneel extensively. They also help to contain the root systems of plants, preventing invasive species from spreading. Finally, patio garden planters are an excellent way to add vertical interest and visual appeal to your outdoor space, transforming a plain patio into a lush and inviting environment. How do I decorate my patio garden planters to look beautiful? Achieving a visually appealing arrangement of your patio garden planters involves thoughtful consideration of several design elements. To begin, consider the aesthetic style you wish to create. Whether it's a rustic, modern, Mediterranean, or bohemian vibe, choose planters that complement this style in terms of material, color, and shape. Varying the heights and sizes of your planters can add dynamic visual interest. Use taller planters as focal points or to create vertical layers, and group smaller pots around them. Pay attention to the material of the planters. Terracotta offers a classic, earthy feel, while sleek metal or concrete planters can contribute to a more contemporary look. Consider the color palette of your planters in relation to your house and outdoor furniture. You can opt for a cohesive color scheme or introduce pops of color with brightly painted pots. Incorporating decorative elements around the planters can further enhance their beauty. This could include adding pebbles or mulch to the soil surface, placing small decorative figurines or stones around the base, or even training climbing plants up trellises or obelisks placed within the planters. Finally, consider the overall arrangement of your planters on the patio. Grouping them in clusters can create a more impactful display than scattering them randomly. Think about creating pathways and focal points with your planter arrangements to guide the eye and create a sense of flow. What the best plants for patio garden planters? Selecting the appropriate plants is paramount to ensuring a thriving and beautiful patio garden. The best plants for your patio garden planters will depend on several factors, including your local climate, the amount of sunlight your patio receives, and your personal preferences. However, certain types of plants generally thrive in container environments. For vibrant color and continuous blooms, consider annuals like petunias, geraniums, impatiens, and calabrachoa. These offer a wide range of colors and can be easily changed out seasonally. For structural interest and greenery, consider perennials, such as lavender, rosemary, small ornamental grasses, and heuchera. These will return year after year and provide a more permanent element to your planters. If you're interested in edible gardening, many herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and thyme do exceptionally well in containers, as do vegetables such as tomatoes, dwarf or bush varieties, peppers, and strawberries. Consider the mature size of the plants you choose to ensure they have adequate space in their containers. For taller planters, or to add vertical interest, consider vining plants like trailing ivy, morning glories, or even small climbing roses. Remember to choose plants with similar watering and sunlight requirements to group together in the same planters for easier care. Finally, consider the aesthetic impact of the plants themselves, including their foliage texture, flower color, and overall form to create visually appealing combinations within your planters. Best patio garden planters. Ideas. 1. Tiered herb garden. Utilize a multi-tiered planter to create a vertical herb garden. This maximizes space and allows for easy harvesting of various culinary herbs like basil, rosemary, mint, and chives. The different levels add visual interest and can accommodate plants with varying sunlight needs. 2. Succulent bowl centerpiece. Create a shallow, wide bowl filled with a variety of succulents in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Succulents are low maintenance and offer a modern, architectural look. Add decorative stones or sand for a desert-inspired aesthetic. 3. Colorful annual flower pots. Dedicate individual pots to vibrant annual flowers like petunias, geraniums, and calabrachoa in a mix of bold colors. Group these pots together for a burst of seasonal color that can be easily updated throughout the year. 4. Tall ornamental grass planters. Use tall, slender planters to showcase ornamental grasses like feather reed grass or fountain grass. These add verticality, movement, and a touch of natural elegance to your patio. They also provide visual interest through different seasons. 5. Hanging basket extravaganza. Utilize hanging baskets at different heights to create a lush, cascading display of flowering plants like fuchsias, begonias, or trailing petunias. Hanging baskets save floor space and add a whimsical touch. 6. Vegetable container garden. Dedicate larger containers to growing vegetables like dwarf tomatoes, bell peppers, lettuce, and strawberries. This allows you to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce right on your patio. Ensure the containers are deep enough for root development. 7. Mediterranean herb and flower mix. Combine drought-tolerant herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme with sun-loving flowers like lantana or salvia in terracotta pots for a Mediterranean-inspired feel. This creates a fragrant and visually appealing combination. 8. Statement tree planter. Use a large statement planter to house a small ornamental tree like a Japanese maple or a dwarf citrus tree. This can serve as a focal point and add significant structure and greenery to your patio. 9. Window box wonders. Install window boxes filled with trailing plants like ivy geraniums or lobelia to add charm and color to railings or walls adjacent to your patio. Window boxes bring the garden closer to your living space. 10. Repurposed container creations. Get creative by repurposing old items like galvanized tubs, wooden crates, or even old tires into unique and characterful planters. This adds a personal and eco-friendly touch to your patio garden. As you can see, patio garden planters offer a fantastic way to personalize your outdoor space, bringing the beauty and benefits of gardening right to your doorstep. By understanding their purpose, appreciating their advantages, decorating them thoughtfully, and selecting the right plants, you can transform your patio into a vibrant and inviting extension of your home. We encourage you to experiment with these ideas and create your own stunning patio garden. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Garden Decor, designs for more inspiring ideas to enhance your outdoor living spaces. Happy gardening! Now, we'd love to hear from you. What aspects of garden planter decor design resonate most with you? Do you have any questions or perhaps your own tips to share? Leave a comment down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs so you don't miss out on our future gardening and design insights. Thank you for joining us, and happy gardening.